ChatHeads are an exclusive feature of Facebook Messenger, and even though Facebook owns WhatsApp, this feature never reached there. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get the Facebook Messenger like ChatHeads for WhatsApp. Excited? So without any further ado, let's get started. To get the ChatHeads for WhatsApp, you should install an app called FlyChat from the Play Store. I'll lay a link to the app in the description below. Open up the app and enable the required permissions and press OK. By default, the ChatHeads are turned on for WhatsApp. Now whenever someone texts you on WhatsApp, ChatHeads are going to pop up and you can reply to them instantly from the app. This is so helpful when you are gaming or watching a video. You can customize the ChatHeads to your liking in the settings. The app does comes with ads, but you can purchase the Pro version to remove them. So that's it guys. If you like my video, give us a thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and tap on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.